episode of a show we like to call Depreciation Nation. And if you are joining us for the first time, welcome. And if you are a recurring viewer, welcome back. Now, if you are a recurring viewer, you will know that it has been a minute since we have put out a video. And the reason for that is that we have had a number of life updates. Now, we moved April of last year into a property that, as you can see behind me, is a little bit less than ideal. We no longer have a garage for which we use to maintain our projects. We actually sold our Audi S3 and picked up this Chrysler Pacifica behind me. Our Audi 4000 project right here is still alive and well and rounding some corners, in which we are going to provide an update video very soon. Now, our E46 project is also still alive and well. We've had a few unplanned repairs, and recently we just upgraded our power steering pump, which was an unplanned repair, but we are on track to continue to overhaul that project this year as well. Now, as you can see on my right here, we picked up a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Vehicle currently has 120,000 miles on it. Has the typical Chrysler corrosion issues, which we are sending it in to get corrected here very soon. But we are hoping to launch a rather interesting project with this particular vehicle right here for folks that are kind of tied into family vehicles. So stay tuned for that. We have an introductory video coming soon on that. As far as our 4000 project goes, that is going in for an alignment relatively soon. Once that work has been completed, we are going to do a timing belt service, which we will produce on the channel. And again, as previously mentioned, an update video as we continue to improve this particular project. E46 still in need of a headliner and wheel refinish, which we also plan to address as soon as the weather gets warmer. This video is going to be particularly short and sweet. Just wanted to kind of give you an update as to where we are with our projects and let you know that we are still around. Also behind me, you are going to see a carport by American Steel, which we are also going to introduce some content on, as this is something that we had put up and it is very high quality. We have plans for that as well, so stay tuned. Lots more content coming to you. Apologies for the delay in producing some content, but we are about to bring some interesting content to you very soon. So hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to our channel, which is at the bottom of your screen, and we'll talk to you soon.